Well, essentially, this is a Toyota Prius 2003. It's an electric powered vehicle. Has a 33 kilowatt electric motor, 44 horsepower, that drives the front wheels through a chain drive and a gear reduction and differential. The electric motor is connected to through a ring gear on a planetary system. Planetary gears are connected to an internal combustion engine, 52 horsepower. The sun gear, which is in the center, is connected to an 18 kilowatt, 24 horsepower electric motor generator. Both motors are motor generators. The way the vehicle operates, normal Prius operation, you operate off a battery with the engine as supplemental power source. When you need more power, the engine will start up and start generating power to drive the electric motor. If you need a lot of power, the engine will actually assist through the power split device. But it's limited mainly at high RPM, or high engine vehicle speed. At low end, it's like being in high gear. The engine doesn't have a lot to contribute to it. The main benefit of this is that the engine is about 40% efficient peak, 35 to 40% over its RPM range that it operates. So it operates in a high efficiency mode, twice the efficiency of a standard automotive engine. The electric motor generators are about 96% efficient. They're permanent magnet AC motor generators. Three-phase. There's a three-phase system under the hood, inverter and controller. It has regenerative braking, so when you're slowing down or coasting, it starts putting power. When you lightly apply the brakes, it starts regenerative braking. Alright, it has a DC-DC converter that takes the output from the nominally 300 volt battery, down converts that to 12 volts to run the 12 volt electrical system. That's what powers the inverter. The inverter that I'm using here, it's a power to go, 1800 watt modified sine wave inverter. It's capable of 1800 watts continuous, 3600 watts peak. I'm not even running it.
Thank you.
But about 600 watts. But it gets hot back here. Even at that, I've had to shut off already from the heat. That's feeding into the output of that goes up to a variac that I could dial from 0 to 150 volts AC. The output from the variac is fed back here, goes into a DC power supply that rectifies and filters. And I use some government surplus rectifiers that have very low insertion loss. So I can get up to 205 volts. When,
Bob,
yeah.
Let's right here just say the overall general thing what you're trying to do is augment with hydrogen. And then keep going.
Okay.
But you gave it an excellent explanation of the Prius.
Yeah.
And now let's get into it.
It generates hydroxy gas on demand. I'm able to dial up the production up and down to match what I need to add to the internal combustion engine's fuel, which is gasoline, that's generating power for the electrical system, and I'm able to supplement and improve the miles per gallon fuel economy of the vehicle. The EPA is 42, the highway 46 city for this hybrid. I'm actually able to get better than 50. When I was coming across, I was actually getting 64 miles per gallon coming across from Tennessee, where I left, through South Carolina.